Hey everybody, welcome to AI.DIY. I'm the AI music guy. My website is AI.DIY.tech. Can you believe we've made it to week 40 of my featured AI artist list? I'm going to call this a milestone. 40 is a milestone. Another 12, I would have made it a year. Will make it a year. This is week 40 of my featured AI artists for music of the week. I hope you enjoy this episode. It's going to be very special because, as I mentioned, it's week 40. Great, you're here. And if you want your song to be considered for a feature, as I mentioned, I've been doing this for a few weeks. Check out the website at aidiy.tech/contact. Actually, if you just go to aidiy.tech, I think submit your song is right in the middle of the window. There's also a contact thing up the top that's not related to the music. It's just if you need to contact me, you want to be interviewed or something like that, there's something interesting to say, or if you just want to say hi. Cool. Now, I haven't mentioned previously about the t-shirts that are so sweet, the coffee mugs, the mouse pad, the stickers. All this stuff can be used to support my channel. It actually takes quite a bit of money to run. I'm happy to do it. But if you feel like supporting, buying a shirt or anything like that, the store is there. Otherwise, I have a link in there to donate to the PayPal. Any amount of money I appreciate. I appreciate you coming anyway and leaving your comments. It's all good. And if you've been here before, you know that I run this particular segment hoping that you'll like the little segment of the song that I play. You'll go to the description below. You'll see all the links to the artists that are there. Follow onto their channels and do a subscribe to their channel and a comment. I just get joy out of the thought that, we make this music sort of on our desktops or whatever. We don't know if anybody's ever going to listen. If you go to a lot of AI musicians or any musicians for that fact, they're pumping out music, it's very lonely. I cannot tell you, you just have to trust that a comment or a subscribe is like a bit of love coming out of the dark. It's greatly appreciated by everybody. I mean, people like the features in the first place, but getting a comment on their page or a sub, that's pretty big. Great. So we've got all that out of the way. Enjoy your features. And again, show some love for the artists.
Hi, everyone. Okay, follow the sun god. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? About 15 years or so ago, I picked up a random book in a bookstore. That book was Hyperion by Dan Simmons, and it was honestly one of the best pieces of literature that I've ever read. It's a blend of Keats poetry, science fiction, and Greek mythology, and the blend is just perfect. To my delight, there were another 3 books in the series, and even the ending, after much investment, was nothing short of sublime, even though it referenced just 2 simple words. Fast forward a few years, and both my daughter and son study English literature at college, and one of their set textbooks is Keats poetry. Then I start songwriting about 6 months ago, and I'm looking for inspiration, so I start reading some of his works, and find that I'm both understanding and really enjoying his poetry. So there was the challenge. Can I make a song and video that somehow encapsulates the poem Hyperion, the fall of the Titans to the Olympians, but using Aeneas, a central character in the Hyperion novels, as the fallen sun god? Could I create a 3 to 4 minute song and video that combines those 3 vital elements, poetry, mythology, and science fiction, and make it reasonable? Well, here you go, guys. This is Alice Tanner, Follow the Sun God. I hope you enjoy it.
I once lit the heavens bold and high, a fire no storm could crucify. But silence came and shadows grew, and something young and strange broke through. The stars no longer speak my name. My crown is dust, my throne is flame. A younger God with brighter eyes stole all the thunder from my skies. Was I not fire? Was I not light? What God survived?
Hey everybody, this is Dom with Poppa Presents Music. I'd like to introduce you to a song that is a celebration. It's named We Just Do. And it's a song for the people who stay, the people who stay in our lives and love us and hold us up when we're experiencing the very worst. When it's easier to walk away, but they choose to stay. This song is based on a blog post that Christina wrote a long time ago about our struggles with a variety of serious health problems. The name of the post was Jello. If you want to read the post, just check the description for the video We Just Do, and you'll find it there. And I hope you will read it. God bless you all. This is We Just Do.
Yeah, he's in there, but he's not here.
There are days he moves like molasses, thick and slow. Eyes glazed, time's froze, trapped in a bowl of jello. Mind heavy, body low, cranky in a way I don't know. A quiet storm behind those eyes, nowhere for the light to go. His laugh's gone missing, his touch feeling distant. I'm wishing on better days, but they stay resistant. He's stuck in the syrup, I sink in it too. Damn. Can't reach through the fog, so I wait in the gloom.
He tells me, just love me.
Though he's lost inside the blue, he don't see it, don't believe it. Still I love him like I do.
Hi, Brook Spencer here. I am a retired songwriter, performer. More about me another time. Today's song, You and I, as you'll hear in the song, was inspired by a recent text message. This version of the song has the most AI assistance compared to other songs I use Suno for. I rarely ever use prompts other than male or female vocal. The stem uploaded for this song was an acoustic guitar on its own, no vocal or any other instrument. I wanted to hear how a piano playing the main riff would sound. I forgot I had the lyrics to You and I loaded. I usually upload unmixed music and vocals and use the cover song feature with no prompts, and in return I get a mixed version with a clean vocal of what I uploaded. I don't have the vocal ability I had in my 20s and 30s. The vocal in this version is not based off my voice. The melody is close to the ones I've uploaded, but not mine. You and I is true story based off a relationship that began around the end of 1988, and we still talk. Early on, some people who listened to it during the writing stage said You and I is a love letter. I had fun writing this song, reminiscing about so many good times we shared. Now, normally, if the AI generates a song that strays from my upload, good or bad, I just delete those. But this one, there is something about it, and the composition stays true to that of which I uploaded. I hope you all enjoy it.
Since we met, you and I, we've had a thing. We never made plans, we never had an odd thing, not a song, a place we call our own. Times we'd go months without a call, always unspoken for no reason at all. A moment that replays in my mind. Out of the blue you said, I wanna let you know I'm not seeing anyone else, only you. By the look on your face, my reaction misled you. I should have made it clear I was right where I wanted to be. I was in a daydream, I envisioned the road ahead. We didn't talk about us, we didn't talk about others. We made pacts we didn't keep. We spent most of our time between the sheets.
This is AITM, Art in the Machine. My last project, Kingdom, was an experiment with creating a fantasy album with modern sound. This new project, Singularity, is inspired by the cyberpunk aesthetic and explores themes of struggling through life with a technological flair. Level Up is an anthem about relentless self-improvement, pushing past perceived limits, and the mental tug-of-war between achievement and inner doubt. It reflects on how far I've come in my career, having already passed my finish line, yet feeling unsatisfied. driven by a powerful desire to go further. Ultimately, level up isn't just about winning. It's about refusing to settle and choosing growth again and again.
I've been chasing dreams through the midnight haze. Took the long road, but I'm standing here today. I look around and wonder inside, am I really ready to take this ride? I'm already past that finish line, but I'm not content with this place of mine. I need to keep going, I can't slow down. Take it higher. To get out of my head, vision's turning stark red. Another round to climb. Am I losing my mind? Can I make this future mine? Break past the 99. No more waiting, it's time to level up.
Hey, I'm known as Cyber Monday from the UK. I'm a synth pop synthwave artist and I've been doing lots and lots of material in the past. I got into AI music about 2 years ago where I realised how strong it actually is as technology. So I started featuring it on my YouTube channel called Music Tech Info. You'll find it if you search for it on YouTube, where I talk about music NFTs. I talk about AI music as well. And I just think it's great that AI.DIY, the AI music guy, is doing this. So this is a favourite AI track that I've produced. It's called Beams, and I had to work with it as a music producer myself quite a bit to get it right. Because it is ultimately an AI track, I decided to put it under the name, a different name, of Cyber Wednesday. So you can find this track on Spotify, Apple Music, all the other general DSPs out there. Also on my fan club, which is cybermondaymusic.com. So yeah, check it out. Hope you enjoy it.
It's tough to say, but we need more than our dreams. You've heard my whispers, now hear my soul in the beams. You've heard my silence, now hear my heart through the streams. I felt your rhythm, but now I sink to your pulse. I felt your essence, now I'm whole in the bowl. Take me back. Take me back to the place where there's gold to be baptized. Take me back to the place, and I'm gone.
Cool. And if you could take note of the charity I support, which is also in the description below, which is the John Foster Foundation. John Foster Foundation goes to remote villages in Indonesia. Go to support through my website at AIDIY.tech. You can click on, I think, the Love Heart Travel, which is affiliated with the John Fawcett Foundation. And if you could support the John Fawcett Foundation through the website, if not through my site, and the John Fawcett link should be here.